If your Fusion platform is linked with your school MIS, you can configure this link to manage what data comes through from your MIS into this platform. Log in as administrator and go to Manage, School MIS. You then have the opportunity to ignore any groups or users that are coming through from your MIS system that you don't want to come through. You've also got the opportunity to change the data view settings, and this is the most important link here. The first thing you should do is ensure that you have the correct date for the start of the school year. This date is used to calculate the percentage attendance, so you can update this by term. For attendance, you can tick this so the attendance will only show a percentage and won't show the actual attendance marks for students. You then decide what data comes through to the parent portal. Depending on your MIS system, we can bring through reports, the student's timetable, their attendance, and any behaviour that's been reported on your MIS system. You can either enable these, disable them with a message that says why they're not enabled, or you can hide them. You can do the same for your students. If you're bringing behaviour through from your MIS system, you can decide which type of person can see positive behaviour reports and which type of person can view negative behaviour reports. Also on the behaviour reports, you can decide if the teacher's name appears and if the comment that goes with the behaviour report is also visible. As behaviour reports are sometimes sensitive and take time to be checked, it's very useful sometimes to just wait 24 hours before a behaviour notice appears on Fusion. When Fusion shows your reports, the reports will be available as HTML5, which are basically shown on a web page, but you also have the option to show these reports in Microsoft Doc format and PDF. And finally, we have a filter so that you can set up the system only to show reports that have keywords in their title. For example, this year's date. If you're happy with all of your settings, you simply save settings. So that's how to configure your MIS settings in Fusion.